The moko pattern differed from tribe to tribe. Each main tribe and the numerous sub-tribes scattered throughout both islands of New Zealand eventually distinguished themselves for various abilities. Some were great warriors. Some were famous for their arts and crafts. Some were known as prophets and seers. Many owned enormous acreages of land. Old experts could tell at a glance which tohunga had designed the moko and which area the woman came from. All were unique. Traditions are carried on today by modern Maori youth, but there are differences. The costumes are no longer made from woven flax, a natural New Zealand fibre, but rather with modern cloth. Some of the songs are now merely English songs translated into the Maori language. It is a sadness, for like the kuia, one day they will be seen no more. As the beloved old women watch and listen to the young ones, one can only imagine what their old minds are thinking. Perhaps about the old customs, the old traditions, their heritage, the old Maori. Why is a kuia with a tattooed chin held in such high esteem by both Maori and European alike? Because they are rare now, and each year the number diminishes.